Assalamualaikum, this is Amira Sulaiman. In this video, I'll be talking about the theories of acids and bases, specifically the theories of Arrhenius, Lewis, and Brønsted-Lowry. Let me first talk about the Arrhenius theory, which was introduced in 1887 by the Swedish scientist Arrhenius. In Arrhenius theory, acids are substances that dissociate or break up in an aqueous solution or water to yield electrically charged atoms or molecules, one of which is hydrogen ion, whereas bases are substances that produce more hydroxide ions when dissolved in water. In simpler terms, acids produce more hydrogen ions in water while bases produce more hydroxide ions in water. But this theory has a limitation in a way that it fails to involve substances not containing hydrogen and hydroxide groups like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, etc., which lack a hydrogen group. Also, ammonia, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, etc., which lack OH group. The next theory was introduced in 1923 by the Danish chemist Johannes Nicolaus Brønsted and the English chemist Thomas Martin Lowry, which was named after their surnames, Brønsted-Lowry theory. This theory is also known as the proton theory of acids and bases because it talks about protons. According to this theory, acids are species donating proton in a proton transfer reaction, while bases are species that accept proton in a reaction. In simpler terms, acids donate protons while bases accept them. But just like the previously mentioned theory, Brønsted-Lowry theory also has a limitation. It failed to explain the reaction between acidic oxides such as carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur trioxide, and basic dioxide such as barium oxide, calcium oxide, and sodium oxide, because there is no proton transfer in these substances. Lastly, in that same year, 1923, Gilbert Lewis proposed an even more general theory than either of the aforementioned theories, which is called the Lewis theory. In this theory, an acid is a substance that accepts a pair of electrons to form a covalent bond, while a base is a substance that donates a pair of electrons to form a covalent bond. In simpler terms, an acid is an electron acceptor, while a base is an electron donor. But it also has its limitations. One is that it's only in terms of aqueous solutions, thus, it's unable to explain acidic and basic properties of a substance in a non-aqueous solvent. For example, ammonium nitrate in liquid ammonia acts as an acid though it does not give hydrogen ions. So here is a summary of what I've talked about. I hope you learned something. Bye!